What's up, you guys? Check out this place that I just found. Looks like a Volkswagen restoration graveyard or something. They got a bunch of Volkswagen split windows. They got ovals. They got a Ragtop right there. They got them white walls. I mean, dude, these fools got some nice ass cars over here. Check out this dude's car. He's got the split window with them little baby hearts and stuff. It's got a W deck lid. It's got the little semaphores. I mean, can you see that? Look, he's got a little fan in there too, right? Damn. These cars are tight. It looks like these guys are like completely restoring cars of all types of Volkswagens. I mean, look at this. This is like a drop top. Brand new paint job. It's got the W deck lid. It's got to be like a 59, 58, 57, 56. I don't know. Let's take a look down here, man. It's pretty clean. They took it off the whole pan and got it all painted up. This stuff is looking beautiful. Super nice. Check out this other one right here, man. This is like a split right here, right? Looks like they redid this whole thing as well. Redoing all the suspension in the back too. Look at that. Not bad, right? Not bad, not bad. The inside, looks like they just started on this one. Man, what else they got here? There's a mechanic right here doing some work. I think these are called like little its or something. Oh no. It's got a nice little chopped up one right there. It's got a lot of stuff going on. Man, let's go inside right quick and take a look what else he's got. Looks like if I go in there, he's got like a little van or something, right? It's got like a 21 window rag. Oh no. Wow. Man, this got hella cars in here. Got a pan right there as well. I don't know what this is. Looks like a 67 or something. That one, dude, that's beautiful right there, man. I know I'm saying man too much, but let's go inside here more and see what they got. It's got a Karmann Ghia right there. Looks like I don't know what they're doing to it. Man, this thing is dope. Wow, this is 21 windows. Look, and it's got a little Ragtop. This is gonna be a super nice project. Dude, that is for sure. Got another Karmann Ghia drop top underneath all that junk. Dude's got hella fenders and shit. Look, it got 2 W deck lids. I want one of those, man. Those are nice. See what else he's got. He's got a bug over there all cut up. Looks like an old convertible. It's got a Ghia right here. Man, he's got an oval back there. I know he could probably spare one of these. What is this? Dude's got a split. Another one. Man, convertible. This guy got a lot of cars. He can do a shitload of projects. All them parts cut in half and everything. Wow, man, that's like a beautiful picture right there. Look at that. Who would tell me that's not beautiful? Straight like found in the middle of nowhere, right? Anyways, I just have to show you guys this. This place is pretty cool. Hope you all like this video, because I sure did. I'll see you all the next one. This is Nick signing out. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye.